Okay, folks, today I want to start off with the charts. So I'm trying to find something out, like a new pattern, trying to use this 1 hour chart. What we're looking at right now is the SPY. SPY on a 1 hour chart. You see this price percentage oscillator is negative. You see the MACD is negative. And you also see the derivative oscillator is negative. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a good combination or correlation between the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour, and what the market is most likely going to do the next trading day. So based off of this, the SPY was up about 1.5% today. But if you look at the 1 hour, you can clearly see that it's declining. So I'm hoping that that correlates into a decline on Monday's trading day. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see how the rest of the markets did. Okay, so looking at the markets, the end of day Friday, you see the Dow was down 1.2 or up 1.2%. S&P 500 is up almost 1.5%. Nasdaq's almost up 1.75%, and small caps was up 2%. So even though all the indexes were up, they were still up, down almost about 1% for the week. So if we look at a chart, like a longer term chart, I have to start pulling those up. But if we look at a longer term chart, we're currently in a near term downtrend. So what I'm thinking is this week clearly ended lower than last week. I think the last week clearly ended before the week before. I think next week is going to end lower than this past week. And the week after that should end lower than next week. So like I said, we are clearly in a downtrend. On our weekly chart is below the trend line. If we get 2 weeks below the trend line, look out for a nice little fall between like 6 and 8%. Now, one thing that's kind of getting frustrating to me a little bit, but remember this is long term. One thing that's kind of getting a little bit frustrating is there's very hard to find models like this channel. You can find models where it teaches people how to trade. There's models that teach people how to do long-term investing. There's models that teach people how to invest in 401k. So this channel combines all three of those together. I haven't found any other blueprint that'll teach people the basics of 401k, as well as how to think long-term for your gains and how to think like a trader to eliminate losses. So this is going to be a nice little process that we go through. It's going to be a multi-year process, and I want all the proof to be documented. So when we make it big, everybody can say, hey, I was part of something great. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you later.